In this video, we will talk about delays. As an automation scenario developer, you may have noticed some operations require more delays than others. Using delays in the right way will significantly increase the reliability of your automation. There are several options to insert delay with Stew. I will use this sample scenario to explain them. The first one is straightforward. Simply adding the delay operation here and set the desired number in seconds here. It is a fixed delay. Entering 5 makes your bot wait for 5 seconds. 3.5 means 3.5 seconds of forced wait. So, this one is going to wait for 3.5 seconds. Secondly, many of these operations have this built-in delay. This text input has 10 seconds of delay, but the default value is 0.5, which means a half second. This is also a forced or fixed delay. These operations will wait for a set amount of time before executing their process. Next one here is shortcut key. The shortcut key operation has both the built-in start delay and delays in between the registered keystrokes. Interval means the delay. It sets the amount of time you wait before executing the registered keystrokes. For your information, duration means the length of time the key is pressed. In this practical example, the F5 key is used here to refresh your screen, and you know it takes time. In that case, before executing your next shortcut key, you want to give this more time, like 2.5 seconds, so that the browser completes the refreshing before the next keystroke is executed. The speed of refresh really depends on the website too. Now, unlike these basic operations, most of the plugin operations do not have any built-in delays. For example, Clipboard does not have any delay settings here. Therefore, having Ctrl+C here in Clipboard immediately after it can cause a problem, because they are both using the same Windows resources. Especially when you are copying large data using Ctrl+C, it can take time to finish and release the resources. You need a delay here. Verification tools like ImageMatch have a different type of delay. It is right here. It says timeout and the default value is 5 or 5 seconds. This is what we call conditional delay, which means the operation will wait for the set amount of time unless the condition becomes true, or success, before it times out. When the condition does not turn to be true within the set amount of time, verification operations will return false. Finally, you should be careful with the plugins with background operations. One example is Excel plugins. These plugins manipulate Excel files in the background without displaying the contents on the screen, but in the background each one of them are opening, modifying, saving, and closing the Excel files. When you use them back to back like this, it is always recommended to bring in these forced delays like so, or you may get an error code or message from Windows, saying that the target file is being modified by the other user.